need, not much, because we just need enough melted butter to moisten it so that the cinnamon sugar sticks. So we'll just chop this up a little bit. Okay. Alright, and then put it in the microwave, but you have to be very careful because it bubbles and splats, and we don't want to make a mess in the microwave. So we'll start out with 10 seconds and see how that goes. Now, while that's going on, we're going to put the butter away.
Just to save on time.
Okay, now we're going to check the butter. And butter doesn't melt evenly. It melts, so we're going to stir this a little bit. But so we don't have to take time from you, I've already got one made here in the cupboard. Alright, next we're going to take out, well, maybe, what'd you do with the biscuits? Oh, so, we have our pre-made kosher biscuits. And you get the package out. Now, depending on how many you're having for company for breakfast, these save very well for the next day. So I'd rather make a little too many than not to run out. You don't want to run out when you have your company coming. Now, yes, this is just fine. Now, on this container, it may not be yours, but mine is like this. You have to peel it open, and you get the wrapper going, and it pops open just like that. Nice little pop sound. So now, we're going to take, and I usually have a plate here, but I didn't do it. Now, make sure you wash your hands because you do have to use it with fingers. I tried it with a piercing a fork, and it doesn't work quite as well. So here's there's our first one. So you're just putting it in the butter to get it moist, and then into the cinnamon, have a nice coating. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can take it, and after you dip it in the butter and the cinnamon, you can pull and twist it. It looks nice, but it's more time consuming, but they taste just the same, so you don't have to worry.